how's it going, guys? It's your boy Elite S550, and today we're going to be taking my boy John's car here, Nissan 350Z, down to Miami to go get tuned over at STP Motorsports. We're going to be getting it dyno tuned with a 93 octane, and yeah, just stay tuned. It's going to be a fun day. Alright, so we're going to give you guys a little cold start of the nice 350 real quick, and then we're going to get heading down to Miami. Alright, so we're on the way over to the tuner. So John, tell me about the car.
Yo, what's going on, guys? So right now we're on our way to STP Motorsports. The car is getting dyno tuned today at 2 o'clock. We're getting there early. Right now it's currently like 11 o'clock. We're going to get there. I got some 3-inch cold air intakes custom fabricated with velocity stacks on them. We're also doing a PCV Delete today. Currently, right now, the car's got ported upper and lower intake manifolds. I'm running Motordyne test pipes with Shockwave resonated Y pipe, and we got an agency power catback on this. I'm hoping to get as close to 300 wheels possible today. I don't know how close we're gonna get, but it's gonna be good numbers. The car's gonna be performing well. I don't know, I'm just really excited. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy the content today.
All right, so the next clip will be when we get to the shop and we start installing the intakes. See you guys there. We're at the shop right now. We just took off the bumper. About to get these intakes installed. Trying to get this intake to fit on, but these were custom fabricated from another 350Z, so it's proving to be a little bit of a pain, but we're gonna get it done, try to get this thing on the dyno. We finally were able to get the intakes in. Filters are too big, so we'll have to work around that eventually, but we're about to hit the dyno in a few minutes.
Alright guys, the 3-inch intakes are on. This is the first start. We're waiting for it to warm up to operating temperatures. It's probably going to stall out, which is okay. But we should be up on the dyno next. Right now they got, what is it? An orange 370 on there, like a 2019. But we're doing good. We're making progress. Oh, it's about to bog out. We'll see you guys in the next clip. Should be on the dyno.
Finally got the car strapped down on the dyno. Soon we're gonna start doing pulls and tuning it. Alright guys, so we made the ride home. We are back in West Palm Beach, Florida. We got the Z looking clean. This thing's spitting some massive flames. You guys will see in the clips after this. But yeah.
Car's all good. The car made really good power for what it is. If you guys have absolutely any questions about what went down today, please look in the description. My IG will be posted. So far, you know, the car is on stock injectors, stock pump, just bolt-ons really, and ported manifolds. There's nothing else to it, but I'm pretty happy with the results. I really need an oil cooler, and I really need some injectors. I need more fuel. We definitely, you know, break the 300 mark. We didn't break 300 today, but that's okay. The car is performing really well. Flames are huge. You guys will definitely see those. And more content to come, guys. Peace out.
Yeah, you guys heard it there. His IG will be in the description below. And yeah, there will be some more videos coming soon. I'm getting a GT350 bumper pretty soon, as well as a diffuser. So stay tuned for a video on the installation and painting process of that. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later.